Yeah. Question 3. A solid metal sphere of radius r is insulated from its surroundings. The sphere has charge positive q. This charge is on the surface of the sphere, but it may considered to be point charge at its center. Okay, as illustrated in figure 5.1. Define capacitance. Capacitance from formula, ya. Uh, Sir lebih banyak menggunakan gini ya, Q equals to CV. So when they ask me about C, yeah, about capacitance, yeah, this is equals to Q over V, yeah. So capacitance it means Q over V, yeah, charge, yeah, divided by charge or ratio, yeah, between charge, yeah, ratio of charge, yeah, on the body, yeah, and its potential, and its potential, or yeah, something with charge over potential, yeah. From this, yeah, capacitance C equals to Q over V. Q over V. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Nanti muter-muter ini lagi ya, bolak-balik ini terus ya. Oke, let we see next question ya. I Tignavia. This one. Okay, so that the capacitance of the sphere is given by expression. Oh yeah. Uh, we know C equals to Q over V. Yeah. Uh, when you remember V is, oke, so Bapak tulis gini ya. Copy yang ini. Oh, from this equation, and also we have V, yeah. V equals to, when you remember K, Q over R, yeah. So actually K, yeah, K this is something with, Bapak ingatin lagi, 4 pi, aduh nulisnya susah ya. Gini. Gini ya. K, ya, equals to this is actually 1 over, yeah, 4 pi epsilon O. Yeah. This is we call it as the constanta, ya, constanta between two plates, between constanta in the capacitor. Let's say like constanta dielectric, ya, dielectric constant between two plates on the capacitor, ya. Because capacitor consists of two plates, ya. Okay, 1 over, ya, 1 divided 4V, ya, uh, times EO. So, no, from this, yeah, yeah, because V equals to KQ over R, yeah. So C equals to Q, yeah, divided by V. V is KQ over R. Yeah. So same thing with QR divided by KQ. We can cancel Q, yeah, and then we get C equals to, yeah, R over K, yeah, R over K. So when K equals to 1 over 4V epsilon 0, yeah, so yeah, this C equals to, oh my god, susah ya. Yeah, C equals to this one, yeah, pi P E O R, yeah, same thing with this one. Coba Bapak tulis ya. This is C equals, oh my god, C equals to, yeah, R over K, yeah, same thing with 4 V, yeah, pi, yeah, pi epsilon O times R, yeah, yeah, from this one. Okay, I hope you understand about this. Yeah, this is actually about how to break down the formula from some of formula. Yeah, this is from formula between QCV and V. Yeah, V. Yeah. Okay. Continue to be question. The sphere has radius 36 centimeter. Okay. Determine for this sphere. Yeah. The capacitance. The capacitance. Okay. Uh, the capacitance we will use this formula. Yeah. 4 pi epsilon O times R. So, but about epsilon O, this is equals to 8.8 times 10 power minus 12. Yeah, this is constant, but this is already provided on the question paper actually. Yeah. So when we write it, yeah, C equals to, yeah, 4, yeah, pi is 3.14 times epsilon is 8.89, yeah, times 10 power minus 12 times then R is 36 centimeter in meter, 0.36, yeah. Okay, this is around, I calculate first, 3 kali 3,14, 3 kali, ikut, sorry, 4 kali 3,14 times 8.89 and then times 0.25. 0.36, 0.36, okay, equals to around 3 point, around 4, yeah, 4, yes, 4 times 10 power negative 11, 4.0 times 10 power negative 11. Nah, this is in farad. Yeah, in farad. Yeah, that's it. I hope you understand. Yeah, I hope you understand. Yeah, because actually, uh, AS level or A level, sometimes they have provide formula like this one. Yeah, they have provide formula, and we only put some numbers into this formula and find the this variable. Yeah, this yeah, this parameter. Yeah, that's it. Okay, the charge required to raise the potential of spare from 0 to, okay, 7.0 times 10 power 5 volt. Yeah, oh, charge ya. Charge is, oh ya tadi kita pakai Q equal to CV ya. Uh, charge equals to C times V. Yeah. So charge equals to C. We have C is 4.0 minus 11. 4.0 times 10 power minus 11, and then times, yeah, with this one V is 7.0, 7.0, yeah, times 10 power 5. Yeah. So it means Q equals to 7 kali 4 itu kan 28 ya. 28 times 10 power minus 11 5 minus 6, minus 6, yeah, column, yeah, yeah. Or it equals with, yeah, because minus 6 is micro, yeah. So this is same thing with in micro column, like when we change Q into micro, like 28 micro mu column, yeah, micro column, yeah, that's it. Okay, I try to continue. Yeah, suggest why your calculation B, yeah, for the metal spare will not apply to a plastic spare. Oh, uh, why? Because plastic is insulator. Yeah, because plastic in insulator, not an conductor. There is no, they don't have free electron. Yeah, this is because plastic is an insulator. Yeah, plastic is an insulator. Yeah. Oh, not a conductor. Yeah, or they don't have, yeah, uh, they don't have uh, uh, free electron. Yeah, or has no free electron. Yeah, 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 because conductor same thing with some of electron can moving, yeah, from one conductor into other conductor. Yeah, yeah, that's it, because they don't have any free electron. Yeah. Okay. and charge doesn't move yeah on the insulator yeah because charge means electron moving ya. Kalau Bapak tulis mungkin seperti ini. Uh, Charge doesn't move in an insulator. Okay, that's it. Okay, do do not do not move in yes insulator. Ya, seperti itu ya. Okay, let me see about the question. Yeah. Spark suddenly connect to the metal sphere yeah, in B to the Earth, yeah, causing the potential of the sphere reduce from 7.0 yeah, times 10 power 5 to 2.5 10 power 5 volt. Calculate yeah, the energy dissipated of the spark. Uh, we can use a half CV square, yeah. But because this is reduced, yeah, so we have two calculation. And when we have combined between, yeah, uh, this is actually we use formula W equals to yeah, a half C V square, yeah. And then we have two of V, yeah, voltage. So something like uh, energy dissipated like delta W, yeah. Sorry. So it means like a half C bracket V1 square yeah minus V2 square bracket. Then W equals to yeah, energy dissipated as W or delta W means a half of C. We have C is we back again. C is this one 4.0 times minus 11. Yeah, so we put here 4.0 times 10 minus 11. Yeah, then V oh we have two yeah 7.0 times 10 power 5 square 2 yeah this is square uh, and maybe this is bracket again yeah this is bracket then we, we copy this yeah this is only different minus minus 2.5 yeah 2.5 times 10 power 5 to square and then break it again. Okay, I will calculate first. Half of 4. Wait, yeah. Times 7 square. Okay. This is around 8.6 yeah. 8.6. This is around 8.6 joules. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah, this is actually what I said. Not hard. Yeah, it is it so easy because we only about this this equation or this formula, yeah, and then capacitance, yeah, and then Q equal to CV, and then about energy dissipated. Yeah, that's it. Question 4, yeah. State two function of capacitors in electric circuit. Uh, this is capacitor. The function of capacitor. The first one is bank charge. Ya, kayak pengumpul muatan. Ya, and then blocking. Ya, the direct current. Ya. Sir, belum diajarkan ini ya. The first one is ya, like storage dari charge ya. Storage. Oh my god. Storage of charge. Charge it's mean also as energi ya. Bisa kita sebut sebagai storage of energy. Ya, same thing ya, charge ya, energi. And then, nah ini yang kedua itu adalah blocking ya, the alternating current. Ya. Blocking alternating current. Sorry, pengertiannya gini, not alternating current ya, direct current. Maaf, Bapak ganti direct current. Blocking direct current. Yeah, because they have like storage of charge, yeah. But storage of charge, the charge is in when we see this is actually about direct current ya, arus searah, maka dia bisa ngeblocking direct current itu ya. Dikumpulkan dulu baru kemudian bisa disalurkan. Ya kayak semacam ya storage and then they have blocking direct current ya. Yeah, that's it. Then other question. Yeah. Three capacitor each mark 30 microfarad 6 volt max. Yeah. Are range and some figure 5.1. Okay, this is parallel ya. And this is series ya. Yeah. Parallel and series. Determine for the arrangement shown figure 5.1 total capacitance. Okay, the first one, yeah, we see this one first. This is same thing with C parallel, yeah. C parallel it mean yeah C1 plus C2 or 30 microfarad plus 30 microfarad, yeah. So C parallel equals to 60, yeah, microfarad. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Then continue with series, yeah. Series. Use see that total capacitance, yeah, total capacitance it in series, yeah, 1 over C series, yeah, equals to 1 over this one, yeah, 30 microfarad, yeah, plus 1 divided 60. So when we see this mathematical calculation, 1 over C series equals to 1 over, oh, we 2 over uh, 2 over 30, yeah, plus 1, oh my god, 60. Yeah, I repeat again, 2 over 60 and plus 1 over 60. So it means, yeah, 3 over 60. Yeah, we flip it, yeah. C series equals to, yes, 60 divided by 3. This is equals 20, 20 microfarad. So total resistance, total capacitance, yeah, C equivalent, yeah, same thing with 20 microfarad. Yeah, that's it. This is apa namanya, inversely ya, or opposite with resistance ya. Ini kebalikan dari resistance ya. Kalau ini di paralel pada resistance ya. Dan kalau di kapasitor ini adalah seri ya, 1 over CS ya. Kalau di kapasitor paralel itu di jumlah, on the resistor itu adalah di series ya. That's it. Okay, try to continue question II. Okay, the maximum potential difference that can safely be applied between point A and B is, oh, this is potential difference across parallel combination itu a half of across ya, a single capacitor. Ini kayak setengahnya ya, half. Uh, oh, we see with oh yeah. Okay, this on the A, yeah, to this point, this is something in 6 volt, but on the parallel, because they have apa namanya, they have split into 2, yeah. This is like what I mentioned before. This is like opposite with the resistance. Ya. Ini nanti Vmax-nya itu ya, Vmax itu equals on the single is 6 ya, 6 volt ya, plus a half ya, a half of when the maximum when the single one ya, a half of 6. So it means Vmax, V maximum ya, this is 6 plus 3 ya, 6 plus 3 ya. Vmax equals to 9 volt. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. This is like apa ya? Kebalikan dari resistance ya. Kebalikan dari resistor. Ya, kalau resistor adalah potensialnya terbagi ketika series. But on the capacitor potensial dia terbagi ketika paralel. Ya, that's it. Ya. Mudah-mudahan kalian mengerti ya. Mudah-mudahan kita nanti minggu depan lanjut lagi.